Hey there, I'm Tony with Philippines, and with a subscription plan to JobLink Pro or JobLink Pro Plus Invoicing, you can manage all of your customers and have that information saved to the cloud so that it's easily accessible to you while you're on the go using the JobLink app. And for those of you that are new to JobLink, you get a 60-day free trial to test drive all of this great functionality. Now, the way the customer hierarchy works within the JobLink app is you start by creating a customer, and then you can associate different sites or locations to that customer. And then you can associate systems and the jobs that you perform to each of these sites. In this quick demonstration, I'm going to show you how to manage the customer and the site levels. For job and system demonstration, check it out in another video. So, to get started here, in order to access your customer information from the home screen of the app, you tap on the big customers button here. And doing so takes you to your customer list. All of the customers that you have created will be listed here, and you can quickly search for a specific customer by tapping on the search bar. And as you type in the name of the customer, search results will begin to populate in order to quickly find the customer that you're looking for. Now, in order to create a new customer, all you do is in the bottom right corner, there's an ID card with a plus. You tap on that and you can create your customer. Now, we're going to create a fictitious customer called grocery store. And there's a contact person to that grocery store that I'm going to put here. And I can add their email address so I can easily contact them, a phone number, and any notes that I want to associate specifically to that main customer. Now, also when we create a customer, we also would like you to create a site or a location for that customer, because you're creating a customer to do work for them at a location, right? So let's say that this is store number 1, because they have multiple stores. And I can enter the address to that first store. And as I start typing in an address, address information will populate, so I can quickly choose the one that I'm looking for to quickly populate the address field, and a pin is dropped there for location. Now, if that particular store has a different contact person from the main customer one, I can start to put their information here in case I need to reach out specifically to that location and not the general customer. And then I can put that information here, the email address of that person, and if there's any specific notes that I need to know for that site, like, enter in the back warehouse, something like that. Something that I just would like to remember for that specific location. Once I'm done, I tap on save. And once I've saved that new customer, I'm taken to the sites list, where every site or location that I have created for that customer will populate here. Now, if I go back to the customer list, each of these customers, I can view on the far right how many jobs I have completed for that customer. Then to the left of that, how many sites or locations I have associated to that customer. And if I want to contact that customer grocery store, I can tap on either the phone, the text, or the envelope icons to reach out to them if needed. Now, when I'm inside of a customer and I can view their sites, from here I can also add additional sites. So in the bottom right with the plus sign here, I can add an additional site to this grocery store customer. Let's say it's store number 2. Right? And I can put in the different address to that store. Again, I can quickly find it in the search results, and a pin is dropped there. And if that site has a different contact person, I can put their name and their information here so I can quickly reach out to them. And if they have an email address, I can put that here as well. I save it and go one back. Now I have 2 sites and 2 locations, or 2 locations associated to that particular customer. Now, if I want to go back and edit the customer information From this screen in the top right, you'll see an ID card here. I tap on it and I can view my main customer details. And in order to change something, I tap on the blue pencil and these fields become editable. When you're done with your changes, you can tap save and you are taken back to your site's location. So that's how you can manage your customer list, add new customers, and associate sites to each of these customers. Now, for more information on how to associate job and system information to each of these sites, check out the video specifically on that. Thank you for watching.